What's up, mother lovers? Okay, finally, I'd be able to do a reaction video for Sonara. Okay, so I actually tried to record a reaction video for Sonara's Tabi months ago. Okay? But I ended up not uploading it because I'm gonna be honest, hindi ko nagustuhan yung Tabi. Okay? Hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Okay? But it's not because I don't like Sonara. It's not because I think it's a bad song. And lalong hindi dahil ako ay isang BINI fan. The song is simply not for me. Okay? Look at me. I'm a mid-40s dude. Weird nga na napunta ako sa P-pop. Lahat ng friends ko lahat ng friends ko pinagtatawanan ako that I'm doing these reaction videos pag nalalaman nila I'm a rock and roll, blues, UFC dude. So, yung kanta ng Sonara na Tabi, when they were making it, they weren't thinking of someone like me. Okay? I'm sure it's a great song for the right demographic, but I'm simply outside that demographic. So, di ko na in-upload yung ginawa ko kasi masyadong maraming reklamo. Diba? Where I'm at for Sonara is I am at wait mode. Okay? I'm waiting for the next song. Because hindi nga para sa akin yung Tabi eh. The same way na hindi para sa akin yung palaban ng G22. Pero gustong gusto ko ang G22. The same way na hindi para sa akin yung First Love ng BINI. Kahit fan ako ng BINI, ayoko ng First Love. Okay? Ganun akong klaseng fan. Hindi porket BINI yan. Hindi porket SB19 gusto ko na. Kailangan magustuhan ko talaga. Okay, but that doesn't mean na hate ko na yung group. Nagkataon lang na yung first Sonara song isn't really the right song for me. Okay, if you're interested, let me know. I can lay out my critiques. Hindi naman ako basher, okay? But if you're just interested, we can do that too. But, panoorin pa rin natin dahil sila ay nag-perform dito sa Pure Gold. Okay? Panoorin natin. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Kielski, sa iyong trabaho. Okay? So we're just gonna let this play and talk over it until makarating tayo doon sa pula. Okay? Let's go. Actually, ito yung Tabi siguro to. Okay. May intro mahaba pa yung intro. But don't get me wrong, Tabi is a very well-made song. Maganda yung production. And I know that 1Z is betting a lot on these girls. And I've seen some clips of interviews with Pablo and the other 1Z dude. They really have high hopes, and because of that high hopes, I'm sure they're doing their best to provide what Sonara needs. Kasi double-edged sword ang ang pagiging first girl group ng Sonara with 1Z, especially with SB19. Anyway, panoorin mo natin to. Si Nami ang isang favorite ko dyan. Si Nami. I think Nami is a gorgeous chick. The others, tatlo yung the others I'm yet to warm up with them pa. Dito hindi ko pa masyado hindi ko pa kilala to, this one, but this one is my, I think she's my bias for Sonara. Dahil kamukha niya yung crush ko nung college. The others are, I just remember them by face. I don't know their name yet. Nami, Dominique, and of course, Eureka, the most popular girl. Kasi because of her pixie cut. Teka, do I use this or dito lang tayo? Ganyan na lang. Okay. Alright. Hindi nila kinakanta yung first paragraph, no? They just let the track play. Pero when they debuted dun sa concert ng SB19, they were singing it. I heard madami daw nagkikritik sa vocals ng Sonara right now. I'm not really following. Meron kasi akong channel and dito sa channel na to may mga nagkikritik daw. Another one of the things na comment ko about Sonara. Again, this is coming from me. Okay, I'm not exactly probably the right demographic for them, the market rather. I don't know. I'm sure a lot of fans like it this way, but for me, the choreography of Tabi, maganda siya kung sa maganda, but it's not naman boyish, but it lacks femininity. Medyo yun lang ang comment ko sa choreography. It's very well choreographed, but they're hot chicks, okay? Maybe let them be hot chicks. Hopefully, kasi parang nasobrahan sa angas yung choreography siguro for me. Kasi ang gaganda nila eh, di ba? It's a little too boyish. But that's the theme of the song, di ba? Parang nag-aangas sila na hopefully the choreography of the other song, Pula, would feature that, yung feminine side naman ng Sonara. Kasi Pula mukhang baka heart yun, di ba? Or maybe it's about a song about love. We'll find out. But I get it. A lot of P-pop, K-pop fans like these girl power themed song. Okay, ito, they're spilling. Ang lakas ng echo lang talaga sa mga fan cams. Si Eureka. Masakit sa tenga sigawan. Okay, si Eureka, she reminds me of She reminds me of what's her name? Sherry Hill. Sherry Hill na teka, ulit natin yung eto si Nami, I think she's the prettiest I think most would agree. She reminds me of
Alam niyo po ba, sobrang excited po kami. As in,
Lovey
hindi po
Poe.
nakatulog kagabi sa sobrang kabahan.
Lovey
Excited
Poe.
kasi syempre, kasama po namin
Sobrang
yung
ganda
isang
ni Lovey
idol
Poe.
po
I
namin sa
saw
Canada.
Lovey
Sobrang
Poe
thank you po.
in person
Diba yung
before,
perform alongside so many artists.
and she's easily one of the most beautiful women I've ever seen. Diba? Sobrang ganda ni Lovey Poe, and parang ganun ang dating sa akin nitong si Nami. Anong name nito? I didn't catch it.
Yes po, actually, Tabi, RTP singer.
Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung sino yung visual nila. Kung sino pa. Sinabi na ba? Wala pa nga yatang fan group name si ano eh. Wala pang fandom name ang Sonara, I think. Kailan kaya nila I don't know but parang wala pa ako nababasang fandoms.
Pero hindi ba natapos yun, di ba? Oo, meron pa.
Alam ko may isang Japanese yung pangalan.
Our next song is...
Teka. Ano? Eto na yata ang pula. Pula na ba to? Teka. Ano natin mga pangalan ng Sonora? Hindi. This is not Pula. This is the song that they covered. I watched some videos of those. Okay. Hindi masyadong maitindi. I don't know if it's the recording and also the crowd noise. Ang isang comment ko din sa Sonara, ano sila eh, yung mga singers nila, they sing softly. Diba? Siguro yun ang isang sinasabi ng mga nagkikriticize sa kanila vocally. They sound good, but they lack at least from what I heard from them so far, yung power isn't there or isn't showcased yet. But I think si Nami ata tsaka si Dominic yung yung main vocals, if I'm not mistaken. Eureka is a rapper, diba? And etong tatlong tong nasa gitna, I think they're rappers. She's probably the Japanese chick. Etong si what's her name? Dominique. She stands out kasi iba yung body type niya eh, di ba? Actually, di ba, like I said, parang kakahawig niya. Parang ganyan yung itsura nung crush ko dati nung college. Naalala ko siya. And also, ang isang ka-body type niya is the volleyball player. Si beauty queen volleyball player. What's her name from Lasal? Si Gumabaw. Diba? Para siyang si Michelle Gumabaw. Ayun! Di ko pa alam kung ano yung mga personalities na meron silang vlog, but I haven't watched it yet. I haven't been watching a lot of P-pop things. Sooner or later, I'm gonna warm up with them much more. Kasi kahit dun sa yung Beanie, ilang taon ko yun bago ko nagustuhan eh. Diba? I'm that kind of dude. You need to win me over. Okay? Just because galing sila sa SB19
Really special for all of you.
doesn't mean fan ka na agad, di ba?
Una pa kayo sa first nakakarinig na.
But so far,
Next release na!
eto na.
This will be released officially on August 7. Hindi ko maintay na kayo kung ano yung time.
The styling, kaya sila naka-red siguro dahil sa pula, di ba?
Kaya, syempre, pwede niyo po bang i-pre-save yung release namin, pero to be announced soon.
Parang may Japanese accent nga siya, no?
Kasi malalabas ko siya sa lahat ng streaming platforms.
Well, that's not all that we have for you, po.
Ano ko nga yung pangalan
So, we
nila?
have so much more in store for you.
Sonara.
And we hope that you can join us at Sonara's World Pull Up Pet Stop! Catch us on August 7 and join our
Sonara members, Eureka, Nami, Megumi. Also, she's probably Megumi. Ella, Dominique, Tin, and Lay. So I don't know which one is Lay, Tin,
Panalo-panalo sila
and
sa
Ella.
Kasi syempre sa view
I'd be surprised kung ito pala yung Megumi, no?
sa audience ng
Diba?
kami. Kaya maraming
She's probably the, if I'm gonna have to guess.
thank you po. Ayan, Araneta, are you ready to pull up? Yan, ready na sila. O, tara na.
Medyo hawig siya kay Alodia. Nakikita ko yung, hindi man niya kamuka, pero yung hulma ng kanyang head, face. Ito na, yung pula. Well, this looks, I like this a lot better already. Yeah, I like this one. This is more like it. Ayan, di ba? Ganyan yung mga galaw. Kasi girl group sila eh. Yung choreography ng tabi pang SB19 yun eh. Ang magaling na mga energetic na and also they're utilizing formations much better too on this. 'Di ba? Kasi yun ang isang yun ang advantage nung Beanie sa ibang groups. Kasi 8 sila eh. Ang dami nila eh. Nakakagawa sila ng mga formations na hindi kayang gawin ng kung 4 lang kayo, 'di ba? So, but Sonara is ilan sila? 7. They can do that too. Mga isolations, mga yun ang doon ako namamangha eh nung biglang iba yung itsura ngayon nung formation tapos biglang nakaikot na sila, alam mo yun, hindi ko mag-comprehend. Hindi man kasi ako dancer, but Ganda ni Nami. Nami is so beautiful. Ayun, may dance break sila na, 'di ba? Okay. I like it. I like it a lot better than tapos na. Tapos na.